Here we have again another car coming into us because of timing chain noise. So this is a Mazda MX-5 2008. So the chain, what did we notice on this? What we noticed was that the chain here, as you put some pressure on it, now it's not doing it. What it was doing was, as you pull down on here, it wouldn't pull back. So the tension was getting jammed closed, meaning that it would lose tension, explaining the random rattles. So that was what we found on this case, and that's what the reason of the noise and why the customer bring the car in. So we're gonna slap that FAI timing kit into there and show you at the end how everything is and put it back together.